Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and do you also love the smell of fresh, clean linen? Then look no further. This air freshener is a perfect two-step combination because it's great at masking and eliminating odors in all places of your house, whether that be in your kitchen, your bathroom, or anything along those lines. It's 100% a natural propellant, and compared to other air fresheners, this is actually made from a water-based formula with additives such as corn-derived odor eliminators. This all just basically means that there are no dyes, no flammable propellants, or anything along those lines that may be dangerous or harmful, which allows me to feel safe to use it in my home, around my family members, as well as my pets. And if that wasn't enough, this scent specifically smells like fresh linen straight out of the laundry, and it is so refreshing. I love everything about this air freshener. It smells so good, and I recommend it to anyone, but that's just my point of view.